file 34592. All right, this is the date and time set for approving the annual accounting in this file. May I have the names of our participants, please? Can you hear me okay online?
Yes. Michelle Jordan, the guardian ad litem.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay, let's start with Ms. Jordan. If you could introduce yourself.
Hannah Jordan, the guardian ad litem.
Ms. McAvoy.
Michelle McAvoy Bruno, co-conservator.
Yes,
Mr.
good morning,
Joe.
Your Honor. Joseph McAvoy, adult son of Robin McAvoy and co-conservator.
Very good. All right. Well, Deputy James, why don't you swear in our conservators, please? Mr. Joseph McAvoy and Michelle Bruno.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
I do.
Okay, Mr. McAvoy, is all the information contained in the annual accounting truthful, accurate, and complete to the best of your knowledge and information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Michelle McAvoy, same question.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. McAvoy, is there anything you'd like to say about your accounting for this year?
The accounting has been very straightforward, Your Honor, using the same accounting firm that we have for the past multiple years here. I know last year we put it on the record that we were going to have a big transaction, monetary transaction that came through in this accounting, which it did. What was involved in that was moving some stock that is held in Robin's name in the conservator account. We actually moved that stock to her trust. So there was actually no trade involved. She retained the asset, but why that was done was to create cash in the conservatorship to further support paying for her medical needs. So that was about a $300,000 transaction, but it was not a trade. Worked very detailed with the accountants on that to make sure it was handled appropriately, that the trust had the grounds to do that. She retained that asset. It is now a part of her trust and is still benefiting from that in some way. But the reason why that transaction had to be made was to create the cash in the conservator account to be able to continue to pay for her private care needs.
It looks like the largest expense reported on Schedule B is the cost of the care facility. I don't see
Yes.
the transaction you're referring to.
That transaction's, it's further down in some of the other schedules there. It's hard to show that, yeah, separated out, but it's the transferred 6,000 shares to the trust. It's highlighted with a number 2 there. But yes, the care facility has always been, is and always has been the largest expense in the matter of Robin. Partly that's because of her condition. Partly that's because of how she's been deemed by some of the psychologists as a runner and leaving us with very limited options in terms of who would even accept her for care.
All right. Ms. Michelle McAvoy, anything you'd like to add?
No, I think my brother explained that pretty in depth, but that transaction was to create cash for the account, which was in her best interest.
All right. Okay, Ms. Jordan, any questions for our conservators? Any objections to the accounting?
No, I don't have any.
Anything you'd like to report on today?
Nope, just I've visited with Robin. She's doing well. She is being she enjoys where she's staying. She's getting taken care of well. She's gone to the doctor. The biggest thing this year was getting her thyroid medications leveled out, and that seems to be doing well. So other than that, there's no big updates.
Thank you. All right, well, the court finds all interested parties were given notice for purposes of today's hearing. I have reviewed the proposed accountings, as has the guardian ad litem, and there are no issues that I can see, nor any issues that she's raised. So I will approve the 8th annual accounting, and that will come to you, I'm sure, in the regular course of business. I'm not sure I see, there it is, proposed order, there it is. All right, I'm sure they'll be mailing this out to you unless there's any questions, that's all for today.
Excellent. Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate your time.